How can we achieve good sound insulation in timber construction? Together. Regupol Comfort S1 is a bonded levelling fill compliant with DIN 18560 floor screeds in building construction and consists of 2 to 5 mm basalt aggregate and a polymer binder. The rapid reaction time of the polymer in the fill creates a pressure-resistant mass-increasing layer which is walkable after only a few hours. If you obtain your own dry aggregate, moisture content can be determined very simply, and the aggregate can be processed with the aid of an easy-to-understand mixing table. Regupol Comfort S1 levelling fill can be mixed in any kind of drum or compulsory mixer. To transport the aggregate over longer distances or up to higher floors, it can be pumped into a modified compulsory mixer using a screed pump. The procedure for laying the levelling fill is no different from that used for conventional screed. The substrate should be dry and broom clean. In a single operation, levels of between 20 and 200 mm can be achieved. Processing time amounts to approximately 30 to 90 minutes and depends on the ambient temperature, which should not be below 10 degrees C. Walking carefully on the levelling fill is possible after 6 to 8 hours, though complete hardening requires about 24 hours. After this time, all remaining work stages can be carried out. Regupol Comfort S1 is installed dry and is diffusion open. Has a dampening layer without water and a bulk density of 1,550 kilos per square meter, the fill is ideal for the acoustic upgrading of wooden beam and solid timber ceilings. The levelling fill's emission behaviour meets the requirements of the Committee for Health-Related Evaluation of Building Products and consequently those of Germany's federal state building regulations. After removal, the levelling fill can be recycled and is classified as an RC1 material, the highest category defined in the German regulation on substitute building materials. Tests at accredited testing laboratories document the material's very high acoustic efficiency. Regupol Comfort S1.